Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session, and today we are having a guest speaker as Sanpati Nilveni, and he is a developer at Data Consultancy Services, and he is exclusively from Triple E branch, like Triple E branch to software, and let us learn how she is able to overcome all those coding knowledge and the coding technologies, how she is able to work with computer related technologies, even though she is coming from this so-called Triple E and all the branches, and how she is getting to manage to get into this particular software field, even though she's not having any computer-related background in the beginning. So let us explore the journey that she has gone through, and let us get into the session without any further ado. Yeah, coming to the first question, what is the journey that you have gone through, like from Triple E to computer science and engineering? How is the journey? How you have faced all the computer while learning computer related technologies or while working on with this particular technologies? How is your journey and how is your experience in learning?
Yeah, Akshay. First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with these folks. Uh, I have joined in the triple background, even though, but I have interest towards the computer science knowledge. So actually, we used to have these at the first year level only. Everyone has the software languages like either C, the basic
Yes.
one, basic programming language. So we used to learn that language, and we got interest in that long way. So you can find more websites like Coursera, Udemy,
Yes.
and Hackathon. Some platforms are available to learn
Yes.
software languages. In the same way, our classmates and me used to learn these other languages and try to
Yes.
improve our skills. So in that way, during placements, we have more focused on the software side. So
Yes.
finally, I became a software engineer from the triple background.
Yes, of course. That was a wonderful, a dedication to get into this software field. And how you are, facing the situations, like how you are when in the company, like in every single day there are new technologies coming and new updates coming, and you have to learn technologies. You have to adapt to the situations. How you are learning? Like, is it cakewalk, or it's very difficult to learn, or how you are? Like you are from Triple E branch, like it's not about all the computer technologies, we have not been into that particular field, so how you are learning those technologies while updating your so much things.
Yes, yes. As a triple E student, I will say like it is quite bit difficult to learn the software languages, even though. But
Yeah.
if you have some basic knowledge, then if you have any basic language, then it is very easy to learn the other technologies also. Like for day by day, you have to improve your skills. Like I know you may face so many challenges while learning to other languages, but everyone must adapt to the new languages, because not every time you will work on the same technologies and
Yes.
same thing, because the client requirement is different from every situation. So
Yes.
according to that, you should adapt yourself and you should learn the different technologies.
Yes, of course. And if you see, like, there are so many students who are joining in diploma polytechnical courses after their completion of this matriculation at 10th class, and they are, tending to join into this particular computer-related courses like cybersecurity or whatever it called might,
Mm.
the computer-related courses, because there is a more demand in the market. So that's why they are choosing and shifting from triple E branch or mechanical branch to computer-related software
Mm.
industries. And what are the advices that you would like to give to those particular students? Like how should they adapt? How should they learn? How should they able to get all those particular technologies?
Yeah, it's very simple. Like every day, they should follow this. Like there are many platforms are available. Even you can learn these software languages from the YouTube also, right?
Yeah.
So you can utilize that time and from the basics, and you need to learn. And as a triple background, you came from if you came from a triple background, and if you want to be in that software industry, then you
Yes.
should practice these coding languages actually. So
Yeah.
then only you get used to those languages, and then you can develop yourself to become a software engineer.
Okay. Okay. And coming to this, and
Yes.
uh, what is the hiring process like TCS that you have gone through in the while TCS
Yes,
recruitment in your
yes.
campus, and what is the hiring and what's the from joining, recruitment test to and the joining of the company, what's the process that you
Hmm.
have gone through?
Yes, yes. The hiring process is this is same for every company, not only for TCS. Like they will conduct the written test first, like aptitude, reasoning, and as you all know that
Yeah.
aptitude will be there, reasoning and verbal. These things are there. If you clear these all rounds, some companies will conduct these rounds one by one, and
Yeah.
some companies conduct these rounds at a time. So
Mm-hmm.
if you finish and if you get the cutoff marks, then you will be qualified to the next round, and in that
Mm-hmm.
round. Um, and in that round they will take an interview, and if you are qualified, and you will get an offer letter and thereby joining letter. Coming to my journey, this is a TCS NQT portal. Actually, we have
Mm-hmm.
applied for this job, and after that we got to write this exam offline only. This is not
Mm-hmm.
online. So we
Mm-hmm.
went to center, and after qualifying this, we got a mail like you are shortly listed for this interview, so be prepared for the interview. So after
Okay.
1 month, I think I got this interview call, and after that
Okay.
hiring process, I got hired into TCS.
Okay, it's a wonderful journey that you have gone through.
Mm. And
And
also, yeah,
yeah.
even if you're from CSC background and if you want to settle in any software industry, along with this software officer, you should learn this aptitude and reasoning skills. You should be able to develop these
Yes.
skills also, because this will be very helpful.
Yeah, because that are very much required in this particular
Mm.
era. And coming to the next question, what is the work
Mm.
culture in TCS? Like there are many organizations, many companies that are we are seeing every day. But what is the work culture that is different from other companies when it comes to comparison?
Yeah, work culture is means coming to the TCS. I hear that the work pressure is too low here, and everywhere the work culture will be same. Like there must be a team and team management. Everything should
Yeah,
be organized in a proper manner. Correct.
yeah,
So this is not different from other companies. Everything is the same in every company.
okay,
Like work culture means
yeah,
yeah, as you know that team will be there, and according to the work, and that will be segregated into tickets. Like we call it as a SL way of working. Actually, you
okay,
should. Every company is following the SL way of work, SL way of working. So in that way only they can able to know that what is the process, and what these guys are up to, and how much work is completed in this way. Every day, stand-up calls will be there, and we need to give our
yeah,
updates, how much we have finished, and
yeah,
what is the time we need to have to finish the entire work.
yeah, of course.
This is same agile way of working is a main one.
Yeah, of course. And there are might be instances like you are working with on par with students who are coming from computer related background. You are coming from triple E background, and in your team there might
Hmm.
be students from computer related background. And when there is
Hmm.
some project and you are working together and you don't know, you are not much aware of that particular technology. How you
Hmm.
are able to learn with it, and how you are able to go on par with that particular students who are coming from
Yes,
computer
yes,
related background.
of course, at the times we may not be able to cope up with the other colleagues
Yes.
also, but sometimes they will help us to learn the knowledge. And if you don't even
Yes.
know, you can reach out to your senior employees, and if still you got any doubt, and you can use the YouTube and these platforms to get some knowledge, and
Yes, of
based
course.
on that only you can able to build the skill again.
Okay.
Yeah, even I face the same situation. Like in our team, I have the CSC guy and EC guy also there. I'm from triple E
Okay.
background, and I used to ask them so many doubts, like what are these
Okay.
things and how to yeah get this thing.
Okay.
And they used to give me advices, and you can follow this video and that video, or if
Okay.
you still have any doubt, you can reach out to me in this way.
Okay. Okay. All right.
And this is called the entire team. Like everyone should help each other in the team.
Yeah.
That is the
Yeah.
team management, the first one.
Yeah. You are all working with collaboration to build a particular project and all that. And
Mm.
what are all the perks that is a particular TCS company is offering? Like, what are all the benefits that is giving the particular TCS company is offering to the employees and all that, apart from other companies?
Yes, yes. Yeah, coming to the TCS, and there is only one difference from the other companies. Like TCS will give the employee insurance. Like you don't need
Yeah.
to pay anything. And this
Okay.
is same for in all other companies also, but along with that they will provide benefits for the parents also, like if they are sick and if they
Okay.
are under any surgery, then you can apply for the you can upload your bills and you can get the money
Oh,
for
great.
that one. There is
Okay,
one
great.
medibuddy, yeah, medibuddy portal. This is the main advantage with the TCS compared to the other companies, like you can
Okay.
cover your parents also in this
Okay.
insurance policy.
Okay, great. Such a great benefit
Yeah.
and a great, respect to what particular employees working in
Mm.
that particular company. And coming to this particular issue, if you see in particular contemporary year, there are so many students, and above 93% of those students and above 90% of students are getting enrolled into particular computer related fields like cyber security or whatever it
Mm.
might be. And on the other hand, if we see, there are so many laid off from tech giants like Facebook and
Mm.
Meta. We are hearing these days commonly,
Yes, yes.
and apart from these, and they are joining and opting for particular computer related courses, and there are so many laid offs happening on the other hand. And how they are able to get along this particular laid off era and situation, and what is the advice for them, and what is the present situation in the software field going on?
Yeah, actually, coming to the present situation, why they are laying off the employees means like actually every company is facing the recession first of all.
Yes.
That's why, and due to the budget issues, and they are taking off the they are laying off this so many employees. And coming to the Amazon, and you might hear that previously we thought there is only 10,000 employees, but
Yes,
now
sir.
they are trying to remove the 20,000, about 20,000 employees.
Yes,
And
sir.
like mainly yeah, this is mainly because of the budget issue. And they are, why they are trying to hire the freshers, like if they want to hire any senior employee other than the fresher, then they need to pay more money
Yes,
than
you are
the
absolutely
junior
right.
employee, correct? Yes, that's why they are preferring to take the freshers, and also to reduce the financial crisis also. And
Yes.
not only in that Meta, what is this one, Amazon company, other companies also trying to remove remove the employees. But TCS means this is a, we felt like this is a government job, but with a low pay. As you all
Yes.
know that there is very low increment in this TCS company. But the advantage is
Yes.
even you are in a bench. Bench means if you are not allocated to any project and you are not working, you just wanted to contribute your whole time to learn any other
Okay.
things, and you are not
Okay.
working in project, and they won't lay you off. That is the main advantage with the TCS. Until you resign this job, they won't take you off.
Like once you get into this particular field and one particular position, then until and
Mm.
unless you resign that particular by intention, you will be
Yes.
there, and the other and all the salaries and all the perks that will be benefited from the
Mm.
company side.
Yes, and coming to these layoffs also, why they are taking, like if you guys have any fake experience, and they are just trying to take the
Okay.
fake experience with people only. That is
Yes.
the main reason. And this financial crisis is the second one.
Okay, all right. And what is
Yeah,
your
that's with it.
advice to first year students? Like once they are getting to graduation, like they are freshers, they don't know about engineering, and they don't know about what this particular field is, how the software field works, and how this particular computer related industries are working, what is the work that we have to do. They don't know anything, how to explore, and what are the
Hmm.
steps that they have to take in order to get into this particular software field that they are desired to.
Yeah, in earlier days, we guys have very much knowledge. Like we don't even use it to this laptops
Yes.
and mobiles that much. But nowadays, you can observe like everyone is using mobile and everyone is having laptop, so they
Yes,
can
of course.
easily prepare themselves to get into the software industry. And every day, not every day, I can say like they must enjoy the BTech life and always and
Yes, of course.
also they try to cope up their knowledge like. Yeah, as I already mentioned, there are so many platforms are available like Coursera, Hackathon, and Udemy courses, LinkedIn. And these all courses are available. And at least for one semester, it would be better if you finish one certification, because these
Yeah.
certifications will be very useful to get into the software industry.
Yes,
And
of course.
you have to brush up your knowledge every time.
Mm-hmm.
Like you are just listening to the classes and leaving in that one day. So it
Mhm.
won't help, and you need to brush up and you need to practice, and you need more practical knowledge. And coming to this first year students, and
Mhm.
I know everyone waste first 2 years in the BTech
Yes,
life,
of
and
course.
at the starting of the third year and fourth year, and they will be panic like, what is the next process and how I'm going to get settled in any other company. So
Yes, of course.
at the first year level only, they must take any decisions like how they are going to end. They should have one aim. Like without any aim, it's useless. Like what I need to do, I just
Yes, of
pass
course.
these exams and I'll complete my graduation. Nothing use of it. So
Yes.
you should learn everything and you should brush up your knowledge every time, and you would be able to use this knowledge anywhere. Like you don't need any theoretical, you must have the
Yes,
practical
of course.
knowledge.
Of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is my advice. Like every time it's better to complete. Like there are, as you know, 8 semesters are there, and even if you finish one certification for one semester, like you can
Yeah.
finish 8 certifications, right? That will be
Yes.
very very useful.
Yes, you are absolutely right. And
Hmm.
what are the suggestions that you would like to give to third year students, like who are preparing for this particular, campus recruitments and all that, who are going through this particular recruitment process and who are already got selected into
Yeah,
the particular field? What are the suggestions that you would like to give to them?
yeah. Whoever got selected into this already selected into the software industry, I always suggest you to learn more and more in the software languages. Like if you know the
Yes,
Java, then take any advanced core Java languages or Python and other. Not stick into the particular only one language. It would be better if you explore other than other languages also. So many are present, like so many technologies are
yes, of course.
there. So many tools are there, and you should learn everything so that based on their requirement, and if you have that skills, and they will take you into that project. And this is same applicable for the freshers also, not only for the third year students. But I'm
Yes,
telling
of
like
course.
they will find more time so they can utilize that time,
Yes, of
not even for wasting enjoyment.
yes,
Now, I'm not telling like wasting for enjoyment, because after once you complete the BTech, and you will be able to know that like, oh, I have wasted this 4 years time, and I haven't enjoyed, and now I'm not getting any time to go out with my friends in this way. So I'm
yes,
just telling like parallelly you should learn these things, and parallelly you should enjoy yourself.
yes, of course.
That is.
And what are the your suggestions to particular students who are you willing to get into this particular field, like whether they are coming to software field or whether they're coming to, irrespective of the field, they are getting into willing to getting into engineering, and what are the branches
Mm.
that you would like to suggest them to choose, like whether triple E or mechanical, because they don't know about all the engineering
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
And
yeah. Yes, actually, if they want to settle in any core fields like any assistant engineer, like if you have seen the substations, like AEs are present, and uh, some designations are there. Now, these are regarding the core ones, and some Hyundai companies, and these all are from EC students or from Max students and from Triple E. If you want
yes,
to go to any core related jobs, then you can choose these branches in the BTech. And otherwise, if you want to settle in IT industry or software side, and if you want to go, if you already decided to go to these industries, then you should join in the CSE only, because I have already faced this situation. Like I came from the triple E
yes,
background,
of
and I
course.
just wanted to, yeah, wanted to be in the software industry. It quite a bit difficult to learn these all things, and to adapt
Yes,
myself to this software industry, right? So if you came from the CSE background, then you have a
yes,
strong foundation and you can build up from here.
yes, of course.
That is a main advantage if you come from the CSA. And regarding from pharma, these things, it will be better if you join in the chemical industries, like chemical engineering is there now, and civil
Yes,
engineering. You guys already know.
yes,
Yeah,
of
these are the different things. And now everyone is trying to go through this software industry only.
yes, of course. And Another question is, how is your techniques? Like, what are the techniques that you have used? Like, if you take triple E students, when they start learning
Hmm.
programming language, when they don't understand anything, like they feel like it's a rocket science. It's only made for CSA students. We are not made for it, and it's
Hmm.
not my cup of tea. And they feel like that. And what are the steps they have to take when the moment that they are feeling like that?
Yeah, of course, everyone faces the same situation. Even they came from the triple E or CSE students. What I'm telling is, if you guys are from the CSE, then you can easily able to understand that one. So
Yes,
if
of course.
uh, I came from the triple E background, right? So if I don't understand, I need to watch 3 or 4 videos related to the same concept, so I can get more knowledge. And even still, if I don't get, and I can take any help from the others also to get the knowledge.
Yes, of course. And if
Yeah.
you see, yeah, if you see in colleges, professors are saying that what you learn here is different, altogether different from what you will be working in the company. This is what they are saying. Like what you learn here is not useful. Like it's not that much useful,
Mm.
but you should have practical knowledge regarding the coding and your learning theory. And this is not useful. But what you are going to work with in company is altogether very different. And what's your take on that particular?
Yes, yes. Actually, what they were saying, that is correct. Like this is the basic things like Java and
Yes,
what
of
we are
course.
learning in the college level. This is the basic one. This is just a foundation level only. And
Yes,
based on these levels only, you need to learn the other technologies, and you should adapt to the other languages. Like there are so many languages like Rubik's language and machine learning and
yes,
AWS cloud computing, and you should learn these all things. It would be better if you have a complete knowledge in any one technology like AWS. And if you want to get into this Amazon company, then you must learn this AWS. In this way,
yes, of
for
course.
every company, based on the requirement, you should learn the technologies. And also, coming to the project, I already told you this. If you learn the Java, that is used in basic level only. Like for every project, there is only already existing code will be there. So you should understand
Yes,
the
of course.
language of that code, and you need to apply accordingly. So nothing to worry. And even if you are in a project, also you can learn from the side.
Yes, of course.
But the thing is, you don't get much time.
Yes, of course.
That is a problem. That's why I'm always telling you to learn these all things in the college level only.
Yes, of course. And what is your suggestion regarding students internships and projects, mini projects? They
Uh,
tend to do internships and all that. What's your suggestion regarding that, and what you would like
yeah,
to suggest them?
yeah. Coming to the internship, you already know that I came from the triple background, and we have done our internships in the
Okay,
substations only.
core branding.
Yeah, not regarding any software side.
Yes, of
But currently, and now I recently got unallocated from one project due to ramp down of the project, and they got
yes, of course.
released. We got the release letters from that project. So I'm currently, I just don't wanted to waste the time. So I already told you that Udemy platform is a good learning platform, and you can get
Okay,
the certification if you complete any course. So I'm just
okay,
trying to cope up my knowledge. Java, I'm trying to increase
okay,
because Java is the basic one for every. I'm is working as a backend developer now, so this language
okay,
is very important. That's why I'm trying to
okay.
utilize this time.
Okay, you are now working as a backend developer. Like, what are the technologies that you are using now, and what is the technologies that you are working
Yes,
with?
yes. As of now, I have 1 year or 1 year, 3 months experience in the project,
Okay,
and the whole experience is same for the TCS also. So we
okay,
have used one art technology group. This is ATZ framework is there based on the Java only. But
okay,
we hear that that is the outdated framework, and TCS is going to not use that framework anymore. So
yes, of course.
anyway, I got released from the project, and I just waiting for the next one. And based on that one only, I
Okay,
came to know the other technologies.
okay,
Yeah, like a Selenium. If it is, I'm backend developer, right? So based on the
okay,
role only, your technologies will be there. Like if it is a QA people, like a quality analyst is there, like tester, we call them as.
okay,
So
all
they
right.
will learn the Selenium tools. Yeah, Selenium in this way. Different technologies and tools are available. We need to learn the Spring Boot, REST API. So many. If you explore
Okay,
these things in the YouTube, what are the various technologies available? You will get a lot of things.
okay, all right. And Coming to the next question, like, what are all the, technologies that are used in the other domains that, like, there are so many domains in the software technology, like, if you are talking about backend, you have, told that ADZ and all that particular Java, and what are the technologies that students who are interested in other domains can explore?
Yes, actually, I don't have much knowledge about the other domains, but I can say
Okay.
that I heard from my friends like SAP. Some other technologies are there, like this Selenium. These all also automation scripts, and these all are mainly common used ones.
Okay.
I too get more knowledge on these ones because I
Okay.
haven't explored about the other domains.
Okay. Okay. I would like to ask the final question on a lighter note that
Mm.
there is a common notion that software industry, like, so much work pressure is there, and you have to work
Mm.
on sitting in a single place, and you have to work on complete projects, and
Mm.
there is so much of work pressure that you have to go through once you are getting into that field. What is your take on that?
Yes. Actually, based on the workplace only, not every time. Yeah, if you, I'll tell you one thing. Like, if you have interest in any work, then you won't get any difficulty. You won't
Yes,
face
of
any
course.
difficulty. Like, if you
Yeah,
don't have any knowledge, and
you're right.
if you are not interested in that particular job, then you might feel difficulty in that work, and you will feel the same what you are trying to ask me now. And so, in many organizations, like, they will conduct some games and
Yes.
some funny events, and like
Yeah.
not sitting in front of the laptop. And see, because of the COVID only, everyone got used to this hybrid model. Now hybrid model means, in week, they just need to go to visit the office thrice in a week only.
Okay.
So not only sitting in front of the laptop, and they can enjoy some face, and based on the
Okay.
offices only.
Okay.
In some offices, some people have this culture, and some people are conducting games. And let's say example, if we take the IBM company, and every weekend they will conduct
Okay.
different games, and they will engage the employees without
Okay.
getting bored them in this way. And coming to the TCS, I just visited the office 2 days only still now because of this COVID
Okay.
one. So I hear that Chennai Sirsari is connecting
Okay.
games and these all things. But in the Hyderabad, I haven't heard any it. But
Okay.
coming to the work pressure, it is same. But TCS compared to the other companies, TCS has a less work pressure. I
Okay.
hear
All right.
that. Hmm.
Okay, all right. And thank you for sharing your wonderful and experience. Thank you for giving me your wonderful insights and inputs and coming to the end of the session. And thank you for joining here. And we are so fortunate to have with our conversation today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Akshay Kumar. I'm so glad to share my experience with you guys. I
Okay.
hope this will be useful to you.
Yeah, this
Uh,
will be useful to me, and this will be useful to the students who are coming from core backgrounds like EEE, and this is very much useful to the students who are willing to getting into this particular software field.
Yeah, this is my sincere advice. Like, if you are from the Tripoli background, as I have already had some experience from the Tripoli background, guys, please don't waste your time and utilize this time to learn any new technologies and certifications. You should adapt yourself to the new things every day, and
Okay.
don't waste this um, time.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right.
this is my advice to the students.
Okay, I'm really fortunate to share with share your experience with you and all the things. And thank you so much for your wonderful insights and inputs. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Akshay Kumar. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll end the session now.
Yeah, okay, thank you.